Well, it's about 7 p.m. I've been on the trail since about 11 a.m. by the time I got out here and out to the mountains. The last couple of hours have been kind of tough slogging. You can see some deeper snow on the trail there. This is part of a north-facing slope on the trail, and so it's just not getting much sun, and so in these trees here, it's still knee-deep at some points. Sometimes I can get around it, other times I just got to wade through it. So I got a couple hours of daylight left. I'm going to just try and get up over this ridge onto a south-facing slope that's got just a little bit more exposure, and I'm pretty sure I'll find a bare patch to pitch my tarp. So one thing that's a little bit unnerving as I'm hiking my way up here is these bear tracks. Now I know these don't look like bear tracks, just kind of big holes in the snow. They're by no means fresh, but I've been following them along for the last, I don't know, half kilometer or so. And they're walking right along this trail here. So at some point, I can't tell how long ago, there was a pretty big bruin roaming around here, and that's what's left of his footprint. Well, just a few hundred yards to go until I'm up at the top. It's getting steeper, snow's been deep. Hopefully it looks good on the other side. Well, just peeking out onto the top, and as I thought, I got a clear patch here. This is a little bit exposed right up at almost 7,200 feet. Great views up here, but it's dry and almost flat just after 8 p.m. Well, great views from up here, but that's the end of the line for now. That snow's just a little too deep to carry on. That's okay, I'm going to make my way back, and we'll come back to this trail a little bit later in the season.